Recently, I received a lot of requests to speak about colors. Colors do play a very important role in our lives. सब जानते हैं that the natural colors of rainbow are vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. आपने एक चीज़ नोट की है कि कभी भी किसी रेनबो के अंदर there is no demarcation between the colors. They just flow into one another. वैसे ही लाइफ के अंदर कलर्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम जहाँ पे भी रहते हैं, हमारी रहने की जगह में, हमारे ऑफिस के अंदर, हमारे पहन सहन में, वट एवर वी आर वेयरिंग इज ऑल्सो डिपिक्टेड बाई कलर्स, एंड द कलर्स वॉट वी वेयर ऑल्सो डिपिक्ट्स द पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन. कई लोग तो दिन के हिसाब से कलर्स डालते हैं. उन्होंने मंडे टू सैटरडे सारा डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है बेस्ड ऑन द प्लैनेट्स एंड द डे. दे वेयर अ कलर अकॉर्डिंग टू द डे. Well, it suits some, doesn't suit everyone. But yes, if you are wanting to know what are the colors, Monday को असाइन किया गया है वाइट, ट्यूसडे को रेड, वेडनेसडे को ग्रीन, थर्सडे को येलो, फ्राइडे को लाइट ब्लू एंड सैटरडे को डार्क ब्लू और ब्लैक. संडे इज़ अ हॉलीडे, यू कैन वेयर एनी कलर. देयर इज़ नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन व्हाट टू वेयर ऑन अ संडे. अब आता है कि डायरेक्शंस के भी कोई कलर होते हैं. हाँ, डायरेक्शन के कलर्स ज़रूर होते हैं. The general colors which are assigned to different directions is green is assigned to east or golden, blue or black is assigned to the west, north is white or blue, and south is orange or red. So these are the primary colors for the four major directions. अब इन्हीं का you can say a mix is what is suggested for different directions. But one doesn't have to have different colors in different directions to make your place more auspicious. There are colors which are assigned to activities. There are colors which are assigned to the nature of your work. For example, if you are doing anything with education, then blue and green are very preferred colors. If you are engaged in sports, then warm colors like red, orange, blue, not light blue but dark blue, and even yellow. These colors have high energy, and which is what is needed when you are playing a sport. So it is advisable to wear these colors when you are playing sports. अब टीम के कलर्स भी कई डिसाइड करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द कंट्री दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग एंड द स्पोर्ट दे आर प्लेइंग. सो कलर इज एक्चुअली बिकमिंग अ थेरेपी. Color therapy is also getting very popular, and it has been found that human beings do respond to colors. अब जैसे हर कलर की there is a certain frequency, there is a certain vibrancy. Now we can't get into the details of what is good where, but mostly people are interested and keen to know कि उनके घर में कैसे कलर्स होने चाहिए. Subtle colors have been found to be most suitable. Dark colors are best avoided, especially black. Black is a color of power. One can wear it while at work. Wearing a black suit and a red tie or a blue tie, it personifies power, confidence, and it is good at the place of work. But the same thing when you bring it at home, these colors are not very preferred colors because, hey, you don't want dominance, you don't want power all the time. So you always, change into your casual clothes when you are at home. And then your whole demeanor changes when you are at work or when you are at home. You cannot or you should not carry your home vibrations to your office or bring your office vibrations to home. ये दोनों को अपनी अपनी जगह पे ही रहना चाहिए, which is considered to be the best. White is a universal color. It is supposed to be a very soothing and a spiritual color. अगर आपको कभी भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस या टेंशन लगे, then just wear a white top, like a white shirt, for maybe a white sari or a salwar kameez, and you will feel the difference in yourself. Having said that, color is actually a very long subject. It can just go on and on. But if you have any specific questions which you feel have still not been answered, please do write to us and we shall certainly get back to you.